Hey, course 3. We're talking percents, specifically percent change today. Uh, First problem asks Donna bought a dress at a 30% off sale for $42. So what's the original price? Sounds kind of hard. We only know the sale price and how much it was marked down. How can we know the original? Well, we'll do that by using in both problems a table like this one, where you set it up. What's the percent column? And what's the actual count column? Original, the change, and new. All right? And actually, in this case, this is a minus, sorry. Because original is generally 100%. In this case, it changes minus 30%. The new is, of course, quick subtraction tells us 70%. And we know the sale price, the new price, is 42. See how, okay, we just ignore the row that we don't need. Original price. So we don't really need this row. We need this right here. I'll do P for price. What does this look like, or what do you think we're going to do next? We've got a value here and here, and a value here on top of here. Well, this is classic proportion. 100 over 70 equals P over 42. Okay? How do we solve proportions? Cross multiply. So 4,200. This looks like it'll be nice and even, won't it? Because 7 goes into 42. 70p. How do I get p by itself? Divide 70p by 70 so that it's just 1p here. You must do the same to both sides. Must be equal when you divide. 7 divided by 42 is 6. And then we can cross out one of these zeros. So 6d. Does that make sense here? Does $60 when discounted 30% being $42? Sure, that's less, but only so much less. $60. Let's try this with an increase. All right. In this problem, the median of a house rose 20% to 288,000. Which box does 288,000 go to? That's the new actual count. Okay. 20% is the change, isn't it? Change percent. It's an increase. By how many dollars did it increase? Okay. Original percent's always 100, so what goes here? Quick subtraction. Oh, wait. We're adding, not subtracting. So instead of 80, it's 100 plus 20 equals 120. Got it? Okay, we don't need this row. So we set up this proportion. 20 over 120 is C over 288,000. Okay, write that down. Cross multiply. Okay, I'm going to grab my calculator. Just cross multiplying this part right here. Now, that's a big number. You may not bother writing this down because you're about to divide anyway. But I'm going to, just so you know where I'm going. Actually, I'm missing a 0. It should be 5,760,000, but then a quick division of that into 120 groups. $48,000 is how many dollars it rose. Does that make sense here? I think so. So we divided both by 120. So 1C is 48,000. Okay, that's percent change today. Let's see which problems would be great for demonstrating your knowledge in this lesson. Let's try A, C, D, and F. A, C, D, F.